My dear viewers, hello, I am Harsha, only Harsha. Today my topic is roar. It's possible. Yes, the subject is roar. It's possible. I would like to explain you how the roar is possible. First of all, I would like to ask all of you one question. Who is late today as per his scheduled time? Yes, the question is who is late today as per his scheduled time? Anybody? Okay. Now I will give you only one example. Suppose Mr. Charlie is late today as per his scheduled time. Of course, how he came to know? Naturally, he looked at his watch and started running for his all the matters. He started running for brushing, for bathing, for reaching to the station. But he became everywhere late. It is only because it is his thought. Remember the word thought. Because Mr. Charlie thought that he is late today, all the situations in sequence started going negatively. So my reply to this question that you must think positively. Now I would like to ask you one more question. How it could be possible that he could have reached to his office in time? Now reply to this question is, suppose while looking at his watch, Mr. Charlie should have thought that he is not that late. In that case, for example, he could have got his neighbor car as a lift to reach to the station, due to which he could have got the earlier train than the routine one. And also because he reached to the destination in time, his car, his office bus was also waiting for him to pick up. In that way, he could have reached office in time like other staff members. The only logic behind is that always think positive, never think negative. Then only roar is possible. Yes, roar is always possible.